And the rectangle is one die, you guys. It's one big die. And I highly recommend you use adhesive on the back. So let's, you know what? I was doing this the other day. I'm into this black foil all of a sudden. I was planning on using it later, but we'll use it right now. So I'm going to use my adhesive sheets and flip that over. I'm going to peel this up and put this on the back, right? Because this goes on the back. So now this whole entire thing is a sticker, right? I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to run this through my die cut machine. I'm going to run it a little bit at an angle so it gets a better cut, right? I'm not going to do this perfectly straight through the machine. And I'm going to run this through. If it's straight, hang on. There we go. Now the cool thing about this, you guys, is it's also stitched. So not only, oh, let's keep this. So not only do we have cute, just regular rectangle, save that in your in your special, here, hang on, let me grab mine. Where is it? Black, come on, black. Seriously, how come black's not right there? Oh, here it is. So here's my black folder with my scraps that have adhesive on the back. On this, for example, I would do this and throw this away and put this in there. Because those are the good scraps, right? Now watch this. So these are just the trashes, and what we have is our stitched rectangle. Now, what does it look like on a card? Let's grab a card. Here's one. Let's grab a card base. There it is. And I'm going to peel this up. So it has a stitch line on all the rectangles. And we're going to peel this up. Maybe. Never works well on camera. And we're just going to peel that up. Peel that up. There we go. And now, there's no wrong way to do this. You could do it that way or this way. Pretty much about the same, I think. And we're going to lay this down right in the center of our card. A little crooked. There we go. Now, remember about the back of the cardstock. We want to burnish that in a little bit so it can actually touch the cardstock. Give it a fighting chance to touch the cardstock. Okay, so just burnish it down a little, and there you go. Now, again, we could add our words. Oh, here, let's do hello friend. Hello my friend would fit right there perfectly, which looks awesome. So that is the tilted rectangle.